Hello everyone, Namaskar, Hare Krishna सभी को. I am Manish Ahuja. As I have told you, I have sent few earlier videos also. So this another video I am making to make you understand one of the very simple topics of statistics. It is called mood. तो students statistics में एक बड़ा ही interesting topic है mood, especially for class 10th. तो let us start the learning of mode. How do we calculate mode? So please concentrate on the screen. What you can see is a question in which there are class intervals and frequencies. And what you can observe, students, is that there was a test in a class in which the marks were there. 120 marks ka paper tha. The paper was of 120 marks. And out of that, after the analysis, what we found is that there were 4 students who got the marks between 0 to 20. There were 6 students whose marks were 20 to 40, and then there were 10 students whose marks were between 40 and 60. Similarly, this was the table made. Now in the question we are asked to calculate the mode. Using this table, we are going to calculate mode. So students, let us learn to calculate mode. There are 3 parts of this. Let us first understand the calculations. So students, the first calculation in mode is called the calculation of F1. F1 means the highest value, that is the frequency which is of maximum value. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है frequency में, उस नंबर को हम कहते हैं F1. That is F1 here is 30. Then just previous to it, the next value is there. It is known as F0. F0 means frequency which is just previous to F1. F1 से ठीक पहले, just previous, just prior to F1 is F0. And then there is this third frequency which is called F2. F2 means frequency which is just succeeding F1. F1 से आगे वाली जो frequency है, the next one to F1 is known as F2. So students, first interesting thing to understand is the calculation of F1, F0 and F2. I hope आपको सब ये क्लियर हो गया होगा कि जो सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू है that is known as F1, उससे पहले होता है F0, उससे next होता है F2. And a very important point to be noted is F1 will never be in the first one and it will never be the last one. F1 कभी भी ना पहला होगा ना कभी भी लास्ट होगा, ये हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं बीच में होगा. Because F1 के ठीक opposite, what you can observe is this class which is called as the model class. So students, please ध्यान से सबसे interesting important point देखेंगे. The class which is just opposite to this highest frequency is called the model class. So here we have the model class as 60 to 80. Now in the model class there are 2 values again. One is known as L. L is the lower limit. Between 60 and 80, the lower limit is 60. So value of L will be 60 right here, which you should understand, students. And the other value is H, which is called height. So students, here H will be 80 minus 60. Please try to understand. H means height, which is the difference of the upper limit and the lower limit. Upper limit is 80. Lower limit is 60, so 80 minus 60 will be 20. It is termed as height. That is the height of the model class. So students, in all we have learned 5 values for the formula of mode. 5 values हैं which are required. The values are F1, F0, F2, L and H. I am repeating again. The highest frequency is known as F1. The frequency prior to it is called F0. The next to F1 is F2. These are the 3 values. Then the class which is just opposite to, the class interval which is just opposite to the highest frequency is called the model class. Or model class we will find 2 values. One is L, other is H. L means the lower limit, which will be here be 60, and H means the height, that is the difference of the upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit of the model class is known as H. Now very simply what you need to do is you need to write the formula. That is the formula for mode. So please understand. We'll write the formula for mode. It starts with L. After L, there is F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2, and this whole fraction is multiplied by H. So please try to learn the formula. It starts with L, then there is plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So that is the formula, students, which you should understand. It is the formula for mode. And now let us calculate the mode. Now for calculation of mode, we'll write first of all mode is equal to. Now just observe, I have already told you here the lower limit was 60. So value of L will be written as 60. And three different values मैंने आपको पहले ही बताई थी. The three different values were F1 which is 30, F0 which is 10, and F2 which is 20. So value of all these three will be certainly substituted right here. Please ध्यान से देखिए. Here F1 will be written as 30 minus F0 will be written as 10. Then in the denominator 2 into F1, 2 into F1 means 2 into 30. Then minus F0, F0 will be 10, and then F2, value of F2 will be 20. So students, these are the values, and finally the height which we have already calculated as 20. मैं फिर रिपीट कर दूं आप सबके लिए, प्लीज पूरा ध्यान लगाकर देखें. इन ऑल देयर वर 5 वैल्यू स्टूडेंट्स. सबसे पहली वैल्यू थी द लोअर लिमिट, दैट इज द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास व्हिच इज 60. देन द वैल्यू वाज f1 which is 30 right here. Then the next value was f0. So for f0 you should try to see that the value is 10. F1 is 30, F0 is 10, and F2 will be 20. So here the value of F2 is right here, which is 20. Now the last thing is, please concentrate here, the values will be substituted. First of all, we'll write this as 60 as it is. Then 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 in the numerator will give me 20. In the denominator, 2 into 30 is 60. And 60 minus 10 and minus 20 will give me minus 30. Now moving forward to the calculations, please ध्यान से देखिए, concentrate here. 60 will remain same. After that there will be 20 divided by 60 minus 30, which is 30 into 20. Now this 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So we are moving further. We will write this as 60. And after 60 it is 20 into 2. Just look at the numerator. 20 into 2 will be 40 divided by 3. Now you have the two options. Either you take the LCM, and my advice is first you should do the division. Here 40 needs to be divided by 3. Just look at the right hand side. I'm dividing this 40 by 3. So what you can observe is 3 1 are 3. Then there is 1. Then 3 3 are 9. Then there is 1. Then there is decimal. And again 3 3 are 9. So what you will be observing is that the answer here after division will be 13.3333, which we can write as 13.3 bar. And finally, when you add 16 and 13.3, our answer is 73.3. So students, we have learned to calculate mode in this video. Now my advice is, please try to learn it. Try to do a lot of practice of the calculations. You will be certainly an expert in mode. So please try to see this video, and you can like it, dislike it, it is your choice. Please like it and share me your comments. Share with me your comments. Thank you very much. I am at your service. Soon I will be with you with a new video. Thank you very much. All the best. Hare Krishna.